If your door bottom gap is letting in drafts and driving you crazy, fixing it doesn't have to be a huge hassle. You just gotta grab a door sweep or a gasket, which are super simple to install and seriously cut down on those annoying cold drafts sneaking in. First, measure the gap at the bottom of your door so you know exactly what size, sweep, or gasket you need. Then, pick one that fits your door type. Some are adhesive and others screw in, so choose what feels easier for you. Clean the bottom of the door before putting anything on so it sticks or attaches properly. When installing, make sure the sweep or gasket seals the gap without making it hard to open or close the door. If your floor is uneven, look for adjustable sweeps that can handle that without leaving gaps. After installation, check for any remaining drafts by feeling around or using a candle flame to see if it flickers near the door edge. Keep in mind, replacing old weather stripping around the door frame can also help keep things cozy. One of the biggest mistakes people make when trying to stop drafts from a door bottom gap is picking the wrong size door sweep or gasket, which just leaves more air coming in. To fix that, always measure twice and buy once. Getting the right size is key. Another common issue is not cleaning the door surface before installation, causing the sweep or gasket to peel off quickly. Just wipe down with rubbing alcohol and let it dry first. Lastly, some folks tighten their sweeps too much so it drags on the floor, wearing out both the sweep and your door. Loosen it just enough to block air but keep smooth operation. BigHomeProjects.com makes it easy for homeowners to find trusted local contractors who know exactly how to handle stuff like door draft fixes without a headache. If you are a contractor, it's a great way to get more work by connecting directly with people who need your skills.